Good afternoon, students. The UPSC Prelims 2023 paper, GS paper 1 just completed. We will discuss the answer for the paper. Okay, so let us start. So the question number 1, it is about home guards. So it is given home guards are raised under Home Guards Act and rules of central government. Actually, it is state government. So statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is right, and statement 3 is also right. And statement 3, it is says have been raised in some states. So statement 3 has some clues with respect to statement 1, where the rules of central government it is there. In statement 3, it is talking about state. So obviously you can 1 or 3 should be wrong. So 1 is wrong. So 2 and 3. So only 2. Second question. So first one, obviously it is wrong because official secret has nothing to do with the police uniform. The second one is also wrong. The third one, it is about gunfire. So arms act, that is right. So only 1. Third one, North Kivu, which is in Rwanda region. Obviously, it is not correct. Nagorno, it is in Azerbaijan-Armenia conflict. That is also wrong. Kherson and Zaporozhye, it is in use with respect to Ukraine and Russia. So that is also wrong. So D. Israel has established diplomatic relations with Arab states. That is right. Arab Peace Initiative, signed by Israel and Arab League. That is also right. But this is not the reason for statement 1. So answer is B. Question number 5. 1, 2, 3 are rightly matched. Only 4 is not rightly matched. Okay, so the fourth one, Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar, it is to reward those who voluntarily contribute towards the sports and its promotion. So it is not after their retirement. So that is wrong. So 5, answer is C. Question number 6. Statement 1 and 2 is right. Recently, Tamil Nadu held Chennai. It was held 44th Chess Olympiad. That is right. 3 and 4, it is wrong. Okay, the trophy name is completely different. So 3 and 4 is wrong. So only 2. So 6, answer B. Question number 7. Donbass, it is located in Ukraine. Kachin, it is Sagaing region of Myanmar. And Tigray, so that is in Ethiopia. So again, all the 3 pairs are wrong. So 7 is D. So 8, Chad, Guinea, Mali and Sudan. So they are in use of obviously successful coups. 8D. Question number 9. Green hydrogen is expected to play a significant role in decarbonizing how many of the above industries? Okay, so it's about, so which of the above industries release carbon? That is a simple meaning of the question. All the above. 9C. Question number 10. Statement 1 is wrong. So it is established as a flat platform of finance minister. That is wrong. Statement 2 is right. So only B. Question number 11. These peoples are related with which of the above? So they are archaeological excavation. They are historians, British historians. So answer is A. So 12. Base Nagar pillar or Base Nagar inscription, as we have studied, it is related to Vaishnavite shrine, right? The Heliodorus. 2 and 3 is right. So 12, answer B. 13. Both are right. So that is why it was recently in news. So yeah, Swadeshi movement we know. So answer is A. 14. I would say it's a very trickiest question and the most difficult question of the entire paper. The statement 2 is right. We know it is 3:2. But statement 1 is wrong. There 600, 400 will also fall under 3:2. But this is not one of the standard size. So we have some standard size, and 600, 400, though it is 3:2, is not a standard size. So 1 is wrong, 2 is right. 14D. 15. Statement 1 is right. We know that. Statement 2, on which constitution is adopted, not drafting committee set up. So C. Statement 1 is right. Statement 2 is incorrect. 16. Switzerland, that is right. One of the leading exporter in terms of value, but Switzerland is a very small country, does not have that much gold reserves. So that is wrong. 16C. 17. Statement 1, USA and EU established Trade and Technology Council. That is right. The purpose is not under their control, it is for cooperation. So that is wrong. So statement 2 is wrong, statement 1 is right. 17C. 18. India accounts 3.2% of global export of goods. It is very, very less. It is around 1.7 to 1.8%, less than half. Statement 2 is right. So answer is D. Stability and Growth Pact of EU. It is related with budgetary deficit of EU. So only 1 is right, 2 and 3 is wrong. So 19A. Question number 20. How many pairs are correctly matched? Statement 1 is wrong because all the countries adopted this compact. That is wrong. Statement 2 is wrong, which says it's binding, but this global compact is not binding. So third statement is right. So 20, only 1 pair. Option A. Question number 21. MSME Act 2006. So it is like 1 crore to 5 crore is the medium enterprises. So statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2 is right. So 21 answer is B. 22. Central bank digital currencies. It is possible to make digital currency without US dollar. That is right. That is one of the purpose. And digital currency can be distributed. It can be programmed. Right. So it is the one of the recent objective to curb black money. So we can like program it with respect to the usage of the currency. So that is also right. So 22C. So beta in stock market or the finance, we can say option D is right. It is a numerical value which measures the volatility of a stock with respect to overall stock market. So 23D. 24. So we know the SKGG actually emerged in Bangladesh and it was later adopted by NABARD. So statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2 is right. Okay, so if any woman gets uncollateral loan from bank, it is given in the name of SKGG, not in the name of women. So everyone is responsible. So 2 is right and 3 is also right. So 2 and 3 only 2. 24 answer B. 25. India's public health sector largely focus on curative rather than preventive. That is right. Statement 2. Under India's decentralized approach, states are primarily responsible. We know health is state subject, so that is right. But this is not the reason for statement 1, so answer is B. 26. World Water Report, one of the easiest question. So if you just identify the first statement, that is right. Second statement, it is conceptually wrong. You can make it wrong. So 26C, 1 is wrong, 1 is right, 2 is wrong. 26C. 27. So 3 statements given. First statement, that is right. So central government has a duty to protect states from internal disturbances. Statement 2 is wrong. There is no such exemptions provided to the states. Statement 3, so this is one exception. So with respect to POTA Act, the confession made by the accused shall be accepted or can be accepted as an evidence, unlike the general principle. That is why 3 is also wrong. So 27, only 1 A. 28. So which of the country following famine food shortage? Among the option, you can easily come to the answer, Somalia. D. 29. So Biodiversity Management Committee. Okay, so we know about the Nagoya Protocol, access and benefit sharing and protection of biodiversity. So they play a key role. So 1 is right. Statement 2, they have important functions in determining access to benefit sharing, as well as they have the power to levy collection fees. That is also right. So 29C. Question number 30. Yes. So this is one of the reasons that we often request students to refer previous year paper. This question is already asked, but this time they have gone more factual. Okay. So question number 30. Statement 1, statement 2, they are wrong. Statement 1 and statement 2 are wrong. Statement 3, value of vote of each MLA of Madhya Pradesh is greater than Kerala. So this statement is also wrong. So third is also wrong. Kerala has more value than Madhya Pradesh. It seems that Madhya Pradesh has a large state, larger MLA, but that is wrong. So Kerala has more value. So statement 3 is wrong. Only statement 4, Puducherry is higher than that of Arunachal Pradesh. That is right. So only 1. So 30, answer is A. 31, often in news, Ukraine. So only Hungary and Romania borders. So only 2. 31 answer A. 32 Earth's atmosphere. The question is all about infrared waves. Okay, so answer is very easy question. Infrared waves are largely absorbed by water vapor. Okay, 32 C. 33. So we know tropical rainforests soil fertility is worse than even desert. Okay, so though we have evergreen forest, with respect to fertility, desert soils are much better than the tropical rainforest. So they are not rich in nutrients. 1 is wrong, 2 is right. So 33 D. 34. Statement 1. Statement 1 is right. Temperature contrast between continent and ocean is greater than during summer than in winter. That is right. And that statement 2 is the exact explanation for statement 1. So 34 answer A. 35. P waves recorded earlier than S waves. That is right. P waves, yes, to and fro in the direction, and S waves, right angles. So statement 2 is also right. 35 C. 36. Coal-based power plants, they have given 3 statements. All the 3 are wrong. There are exceptions. None of them. They are like extreme statements. With elimination, you can eliminate. 36 D. Wolbachia method. I think you should know this. It was recently in news with respect to, especially in pandemic after. So this viral disease. Okay, so this method is actually infecting the male mosquito with bacteria and released in the forest, so that the total mosquito population will come down. Okay, so that is with use of bacteria control the viral disease. Okay, 37 A. 38. So with respect to carbon capture and sequestration, all the 3 statements are right. So the first one, 2 and 3 is easy. You can we have studied. 1 is little bit basalt rocks. Though when the rainwater comes, which interact with the basalt rock, they will make some chemical reaction that will absorb CO2. So that is the concept. So 1 is also right. 38 C. 39 aerial metagenomics. They are associated with collecting DNA samples from air. So aerial it is given, so air. So answer is A. 39 A you can eliminate from other options. 40 microsatellite DNA. So this DNA is nothing but some pairs of DNA. So answer is A. Studying the evolution relationship among various species of fauna. So 40 is A. 41 safe motherhood intervention under National Rural Health Mission, not State Health Department. 1 is wrong. So the other 2 is right. 4 is wrong. So 41 answer B. Only 2 pairs. 42 anemia Buktu Bharat. So it's anemia, we know it is iron, not prophylactic calcium supplementation. You can eliminate 1. 2, 3, 4 are right. So 42 answer is C. 43 first statement is right. Carbon fibers can be recycled. So second is wrong. 43 A. 44 accelerometer in which of the following cases are required? All the 3 are right. So 44 C. 45 biofilters. Only the statement 2 is right. So biofilters convert ammonia present in fish waste into nitrate. So only 1. 45 A. 46 1 is wrong. Cepheids is actually stars which brighten and dim periodically. That is wrong. Nebula is also the first one. They have interchangeably given. Only the pulsar is right. So 46 only 1. 47 own satellite system. Only Japan have among the options. D. 48 statement 1 is right. Oppositely given the concept. Agni 5 is again it's an ICBM. It's a nuclear based ICBM. That is also wrong. So 48 D. Again it is previous year paper. You could have easily solved it. 49 mercury pollution. All the 3 statements are clearly right. Easy question. You can mark it. 49 C. 50 green hydrogen. All the 3 statements are right. It's again easy question, and it just says can. So whenever a statement contains can, we can possibly assume it is right. So 50 D. I mean all the statements are right. Answer is C. 51 Dharanyakota or Dharanikota, which is located in Andhra. 52 all the 3 statements are right. Easy question. 53 Korkai, Pumbuhar, Musuri, they are ancient ports in South India. 54, it is known as vadakiruttal. Vadakku means north in Tamil. So they are facing north, starve themselves to death. So answer is D. 54 D. 55, all the 4 kingdoms are established after 10th century only. So 55 is D. None of the above is right. 56, so Dev Chandragupta, we know that is wrong. So only remaining all 3s are right. So 2, 3, 4 is right, only 3. 56 C. 57, the souls, major concept of Jainism. So 57 B. 58, Tungabhadra Dam is constructed by Devaraya first, that is right. 58 A. 59, Diu surrendered to Portuguese by Bahadur Shah. 59 C. 60, it is very easiest question, D. 61, due process of law, fair application of law. So 61 C. 62, both statements 1 and 2 are right, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So 62 is answer B. 63, chief purpose of constitution, it defined the limits and powers of government. 63 C. 64, yeah, so it's after Keshavananda Bharati case. So 64 answer B, 42nd amendment. 65, only National Commission for Backward Classes is a constitutional body, the remaining are statutory body. 65 A. 66, all the statements are wrong. So the last one invalid, it is given, but it is valid. Second one, election for the post of president can be postponed for some absence. No, that is not possible. Even that is there, still election can be conducted. So 2 is right. And third one, there is no time limit for signing the bill, that is also wrong. 66 D. Finance bill, money bill, okay, all the 3 statements are right, you can mark it C. 68, the first statement is wrong, chief wildlife warden becomes the governing authority, that is wrong. So they will have a separate authority, community reserve management committee, CRMC, so that becomes the governing authority. So since it's a logic, it is a community reserve, which means obviously belongs to the community, so managed by the community itself by forming some community. So statement 1 is wrong, other 3s are right, so only 3. 68 answer is C. 69, scheduled areas, statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. So statement 3 is wrong. Okay, chief ministers of the concerned are required to submit annual report to Union Home Ministry, that is wrong. 1 and 2 is right. So 69 answer B. Question number 70, statement 1, that is right. Statement 2, article 335 did not define the term efficiency in the administration, though it is the main part of the provision. So 70 answer is C. 71 answer is D. First statement is wrong because they are not exempted from tax. So statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is right. So invites are recognized under SURFACE Act. 72, statement 1 and statement 2, they are the perfect cause and effect. First statement, that is right, and second statement is, it's a easy question, it's a monetary policy. 72A. 73, okay, so first statement is right, second statement is so basically fundamentally wrong. So carbon market transfer resources from private sector to state, that is wrong. Okay, 73C. 74, sterilization, open market operations. 74A. 75, so treasury bill and call money market are money markets, they are not capital markets. 75 only 2 B. 76, small farmer, large field. Okay, the question itself contains answer. Answer is B. Many marginal farmers come together and form a harmonize their agricultural operations. 76B. 77, so all the 3 statements are right. They cover under MSP, care of crop, and tribes are using it for cooking. 77 answer is C. 78, okay, so inventory is a physical one, so that is a tangible investment. So the other 3 are intangible investment. So 78 C is the right answer. 79, okay, 79, demographic performance Okay, so the third one, governance reforms and stable government. So that is not there. So 1 to 5 only. So only 3, 79B. So 80, the other 3 is there. Most rapid transport is not part of it. So 1, 3, 4. So only 3. 80 is also C. 81, statement 1 is right. Despite having uranium deposits, so we are importing a lot of coal for electricity production. Statement 1 is right. Statement 2, enriched to the extent of at least 60%, it is for a weapon grade. Okay, so for electricity production, it is up to 3 to 5% of enrichment is enough. So this is complete wrong. So only statement 1 is right. So 81 answer is C. 82, marsupials are not naturally found in India, right? Marsupials are thrive in mountain grasslands, that's right. But only, that is extreme word, with no predators, that is wrong. So 82 is C. 83, invasive species specialist group under Species Survival Commission, SSC of IUCN. So answer is A. 84, Malabar civet and sambar deer, both are nocturnal species. Line-tailed moth, the diurnal species. So 2 and 3, so only 2. 84 answer is B. 85, waggle dance. So honeybee is known for waggle dance. So 85 is C. 86, okay, so all the statements are right. So some, possibly right. So 86, D. 87, Indian squirrels, they are omnivorous, they eat some insects also, but they are not rely on ground, so they build nest in the top of the tree. So 1 and 2 is obviously wrong. So 87, only 1, that is third statement. So 87 answer is A. 88, some microorganisms can grow with temperature above the boiling point of water, that is right. Statement 2 is also right, that can grow in freezing point of water, they can grow even in acidic environment. So answer is D, all the above. Answer is C, not D. So 88, answer is C. 89, so which one makes a tool from a log of wood? Okay, so by common sense we can mark it. So orangutan is a monkey species closely associated with the human, so that has the potentiality. So 89 answer is B. 90, so all the 4 are associated with HFC, so 90 is D. 91, Jhelum river passes through Ular lake, that is right. Krishna river directly feeds Kolleru lake, that is wrong. Okay, so they do not directly feeds Kolleru lake, so that is wrong. B is wrong. 3 is right. So only 2 pairs. So answer is B. Here it is marked C, that is wrong. Answer is B. Question number 92. So Kamaraja port, that is right. Mundra port, that is also right. Visakhapatnam, that is wrong. So only 2 pairs. 92, answer is B. 91 answer is B. 92 is also answer B. This is wrong, this is right. 34, jackfruit is evergreen tree. Mahua and teak, they are deciduous tree. So only 2. 93 answer is B. 94, India has more arable area than China, that is right. The proportion of irrigated area is higher in China, that is wrong. Productivity is higher in China, that is wrong. So only 1, 94A. 95, repeated falls in sea level and extensive marshland, very easy question. Run of Kutch, 95D. Ilmenite rutile associated with titanium oxides, so titanium, 96D. 97, cobalt, more than half or 2/3 in Democratic Republic of Congo, 97C. Congo Basin, it's Cameroon, not other 3 countries, 98A. 99, Amarkanta Hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Satpura, not Sahyadri. Sahyadri is somewhat different, Satpura range. So 1 is wrong. Biligiri Rangan Hills, they are in Karnataka, not in Satpura range, that is wrong. They are border between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Sesachalam Hills, part of Eastern Ghat, that is also wrong. That is 99D. Question number 100. East-West corridor under Golden Quadrilateral connects Silchar and Porbandar, not Dibrugarh and Surat, that is wrong. Trilateral highway connects Moreh in Manipur, that is right. Chiang Mai, that is wrong. Mosot in Thailand, that is right. So 2 is also wrong. BCIM corridor connects not Varanasi but Kolkata, so that is also wrong. So answer is D. Okay, so I think we have done with the answers are framed with much deliberation. They are very reliable. You can rely on the source. We will come up with separate subject wise with more explanation and further studies. Thank you for listening. The paper is a moderate level of difficulty. You can expect the cutoff around 90 marks. Okay, thank you.